I bet you didn't know your keyboard choice could change your whole typing game. Let's dive in. Mechanical versus membrane keyboards. What's the big deal? Mechanical keyboards use individual switches for each key. It means every press is like a tiny celebration. They're known for their durability and that sweet, satisfying click. On the flip side, membrane keyboards use pressure pads. They're quieter and generally cheaper, but they can feel mushy over time. So, how do you identify them? If your keyboard is loud and tactile, it's likely mechanical. If it's quieter and feels softer, chances are it's membrane. In the end, it's all about personal preference. Love the sound of clicky keys? Go mechanical. Prefer something softer on the ears and wallet? Membrane's your friend. So, which keyboard wins for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.